Innovation driven by customer needs. RUIHUI is a leading provider of high-end press automation and coil handling solutions for the global stamping industry. Founded in 2000, RUIHUI has grown into a trusted brand with more than 25 years of experience, combining R&D, production, sales, and service. Today, we operate worldwide with key locations in China, Sweden, Poland, and Mexico. Our portfolio covers the full spectrum of stamping automation, from coil handling, feeding, and transfer systems to complete stamping lines. We integrate seamlessly with advanced processes such as laser cutting and deliver reliability for complex applications like press hardening. Each solution is designed to make metal forming easier, smarter, and more efficient. With over 3,000 customers worldwide, RUIHUI is trusted by leading manufacturers including Magna, Lear, Honda, and BMW. All our products are CE certified for the European market, backed by ISO 9001-2015 quality standards and more than 70 patents. RUIHUI operates a modern production base of 45,000 square meters, equipped with advanced machining, welding, and testing equipment. Our facilities support large-scale production with consistent quality. Behind every solution is a dedicated workforce of more than 400 employees, including 80 engineers and a strong after-sales service team. Our mission is clear: to help manufacturers achieve Industry 4.0. With innovation, reliability, and responsibility, we are shaping the future of metal forming automation. RUIHUI, driving the future of stamping automation.